Hello, I'm Bethan Syed and I chair the Culture, Welsh Language and Communications Committee in the National Assembly for Wales. Now, this is a new committee that was created in this particular Assembly term, and from the outset I've been keen to engage as much as possible with the public in determining the work of the committee. We consulted last year on a public poll and the public chose music and education to look at as a committee, and we will have a debate on that subject in the Senedd chamber next week. So if you are interested in that topic, then please do take part or do get in touch. That made us understand that it was important for us to engage as much as possible with the public. So this summer we went out and asked you, out of a choice of about 6 options, what you would like us to look at as a committee in the term ongoing. Over 2,500 of you voted overall, and I'd like to thank you for doing that. But the topic that you chose us to look at as a committee was how Welsh history, culture and heritage is taught in our schools. I know that that's a topic that is very passionate amongst many of you, and so we will be looking to do that as an inquiry in this term. Now, the first step will be for us to consult with the Welsh public on what they would like us to look into in relation to this topic. And we will be then looking to see who we can get into the committee to give evidence and how we can engage with you wider on this most important topic. I'd like to thank you for taking part in the poll and I hope that you can engage further with this inquiry.